Hello, hello. I'm Uncle Johnny. Today we're making sweet macaroni salad. Cooked macaroni, shredded chicken breast, diced carrots, raisins, diced celery, diced apples, pineapple chunks, shredded cheddar cheese, mayo, relish, sweet condensed milk, sugar. I always make this salad for my family parties. I learned this recipe from my mom. Ready? First boil the carrots until soft, then dice. Now to chop up the celery. Now cut apples. Boil chicken breast and shred. Make sure your pasta is cooked. Now I'm going to throw everything together. Chicken breast, apples, carrots, raisins, celery, pineapple chunks, cheese, sweet relish, half cup sugar, mayo, we may add more mayo later after mixing. Now, half can of sweet condensed milk. Now time to mix. Add pepper. Salt to taste. We're done mixing the salad. Put in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. That is good. Delicious. Thank you for watching. Definitely Sarap.